This machine is a Minipack 76 digit. The control panel on this machine is pretty much the same as a Replay 55 and SC5000 digit. They all use the same control panel. I think a Duo 43, Replay 40, Duo 54, etc. all use this standard control panel. I'll just run you through the operation of the control panel. You have simple power on, powers the machine up. Last time I used it was on program 2. I'll run you through the programs. Program 2 we like to call default, but you have, if I scroll through, P1 you see the heater light went off. That renders the machine a manual sealer. You have to bring the hood down, hold it down, it cuts, seals, bags a product. Something like a t-shirt, something that you don't want to shrink because it will screw up. If we scroll to position 2, that then switches the heaters on. The heaters in the back of the machine will now be heating up until it eventually reaches temperature. That light will go out. Normal conditions, it takes about 10 minutes for it to reach temperature. If I scroll through now the settings with the S button, not the program button, the S button, first of all that's your seal time. We've currently got it set at 1.8. We could put it at 2, that's fine. This machine incorporates self-regulating sealing system, so as you use the machine more rapidly, that seal time automatically switches itself down. That's all done electronically on the control board, don't have to worry about it. Set it at 2, leave it. If we then scroll to the next setting, this is the magnet timer. 3.5 seconds means when you bring the hood down, the magnet will grab and hold and the machine will shrink for 3.5 seconds. To adjust it, simply up and down arrows. Next setting is your heat. We've currently got this set at 85. Don't really want to go much above 85. If you run it at 99, it's like driving your car flat out all day. You'll wear it out, something will break. So keep it at about 80, 85, which is your sort of optimum cruising speed, if you like. If you alter any of these, you must scroll back to P2 for the settings to be remembered. If you go through and alter something and then walk away and leave it, and when you come back it's back onto P2, it won't have remembered that. So you must scroll back when you're altering them to P2. You have you've got P3, 4, 5 and 6. They all are spare pages of memory basically. P2 being your optimum, your default. If you use the machine, if you've got another particular pack where you've got to tweak the settings, you could go through to P3, adjust your settings to suit that particular pack, and then store it by going back to P3. If I go back to P2, so I'll scroll through again, you'll see your 3 settings. Seal time, magnet time or shrink time, how long the hood stays down before it automatically releases. Heater, back to P2, that's your default. When you finish with the machine, simply turn it off.